Assalamu alaikum students. As we are doing our chapter of fraction, which is chapter number 9, and our today's lecture is lecture number 6. As we are doing our topic comparing and ordering fraction, here we have a question: arrange the fraction from greatest to smallest. And our fractions are 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. It means we need to arrange our fraction from greatest to smallest. Let's start its solution and understand it more. Here we have 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 4 by 5. As you all knows that the first step of comparing and ordering fraction is making the denominator same of all the fractions. And for making the denominator same of all the fractions, what we do? Yeah, multiplication with a required number. Okay. So now let's think about it. Which number we could make in the denominator? You can see we can make 2, 4. Yani 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. But can we make 5 the number 4? Can we get the number 4 in the table of number 5? No. So we need to think about it. Which number is common in the table of 4, 2 and 5? Think about it. Yeah, I got it. 20 is the number which is common in the table of 4, 2, 5. Because 4 5s are 20, 2 10s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. So you can see we can make our denominator same. For this we need to make the denominator 20. Let's multiply it. As you know, 4 5s are 20. It means I need to multiply first fraction with the number 5. And 2 10s are 20. So we need to multiply our second fraction with the number 10. And 5 4s are 20. So we need to multiply 4 by 5 with the number 4. Here you can go with this. Okay. Now comes to the second step. Next step. After simplification, we will get this 15 by 20, 10 by 20, 16 by 20. You can see that here we have denominator of all fraction is same. But as in your question, we have to arrange the fractions from greatest to smallest. Okay. So our second step was compare the values of numerator. Which value is greater from all these numerators? Yeah, very good. 16 is the greatest numerator. It means 16 by 20 will be our first fraction, because we have to start our arrangement from greatest to smallest. So 16 by 20 will comes first. After that, which numerator is on the second number? 15. So our second fraction will be 15 by 20 and the last will be 10 by 20. So here we have arranged these fractions from greatest to smallest. But you should remember that I told you when we will compare the fraction, in your final answer you need to write down your original fraction, not the converting fraction. So you will see that from which fraction we got 16 by 20. Yeah, from the fraction 4 by 5 we get 16 by 20, and from the fraction 15 by 20 we get 3 by 4, and we get 10 by 20 from the fraction 1 by 2. Is it clear? Good. Now here is a note, here is a important thing to tell you. If we have the statement that we have to arrange the fractions from smallest to the greatest, then we will start our arrangement from smallest to greatest, like 10 by 20, 15 by 20, 16 by 20. And by giving the final answer, we will write out in this way: 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. Okay, because 10 by 20 is get by 1 by 2 and 15 by 20 is get by 3 by 4 and 16 by 20 is get by 4 by 5. Okay, so here is the arrangement of our given fraction.